will tell you how to fix the device ban problem on your mobile phone. For that, the process is easy and simple. Just simply, all you have to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you're sure for that, double check it and make sure that you are not connected to any sort of VPN in it. So if you are sure about it, simply go back to the main page. And so once you are sure of that, you have a stable internet connection and you're not connected to any VPN, all you have to do is to hover over the Snapchat and go to the app information settings. And once you do that, all you have to do is to clear up the cache memory and all the unnecessary storage without deleting the application. So I will tell you exactly how you guys can do it. So once the setting has been opened up, go to the storage, and in the storage, what you have to do is to delete the cache memory. So here you guys can see that the user data is of 3 GB and the cache is 41.04 and the app size is this much. So you guys have to just only have to clear the data just like that. Clear these cache, or you guys can go to the manage space, and in the manage space you can clear all the data by clicking on delete button. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.